Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, A Visit to the Doctors, we will be covering the section of vocabulary in which we will learn about lexical field. So, open up page number 29 and let's get started. To learn about lexical field, let's look at the given picture. You can see the picture of hospital. Now, let's look at the words that are related to hospital. Repeat these words after me. Ambulance, doctor, medicine, patient, and a nurse. All these things belong to the same lexical field, hospital, and they all are related to each other. So, we have learned that some words belong to the same lexical field and it is a set of words which is related to each other. Now, let's do an activity. Think of words related to the following and write them on a loose sheet. You have to think of the words that belong to or relate to school and exercise. For example, I wrote down the word students as it is related to school and running as it is related to exercise. Now, what you have to do is you have to write down 5 words related to these lexical fields.